You think you coulda get in on my feelings? You coulda get me fi settle down. Me give ya hit and run. Me give ya hit and run.
You see, Hit and Run are one of the worst songs them ever hear.
Tell me how it's sweet to your belly. Don't tell me how it's sweet to your belly. I'm not peanut butter, so me a shelly.
Welcome to Linefoot TV at the right place and let's the dog gone away.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell. Bless the love and greetings, my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens. Line and line, speak up on yourself. Welcome to Linefoot TV. We say give thanks to life, give thanks to health and strength, give thanks to another day. Life are the greatest gifts, I live it to the fullest. Is what me say? Yes, man, big up all of my loyal fans on the platform. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Please consider to like and share the content, subscribe and click the bell. As I say, yeah, man, you know why we deal with equity, diversity, unity, love, strength. As I say, empathy, inclusion. As I say, yes, man. So you don't know, coming up in this vlog here, we have Shenseea Freestyle, our song Hit and Run, and we have a female from one part of Jamaica that have criticized the song. You see me? So I'm going to hear one, and then we have a bad performance from Askel 45, you know, MdotR at his show, you know what I mean, in the UK the other day. Yes, and you don't know, big up management, ZIS, YGP, One Campus. So I say big up Team Flexi, the fire host, the female fire host, you see it? So we know we're going to close the show with the performance of Askel. So first and foremost, we kick it off with Shenseea, and then you make a year with the female. I say, I want to leave in the comment section, but we know what to think about Shenseea song Hit and Run, because we see a lot of mixed comments and feedback here going on. You see it? But before that, I don't know my routine, you know. We are forward.
What is wrong with humanity? Who not kill but out and not sell them soul for vanity?
Blessed love, a pleasant day to you all my fans out there. You see me, I say all my Instagrammers, TikTokers, Facebookers, Twitters, YouTubers. Yes, I just want to inform you guys that my single, What is Wrong with Humanity, the video is out now on my YouTube channel. See, you can go watch it and share it and like it and leave in feedback. Let me know what y'all think. The people who want to hear good music, righteousness, and believe in positivity. Yeah, man. The single is not out yet, but will be soon on all digital platforms. But for now, if you want to hear the full song, check it out on my YouTube channel. See? I'm Eric. Love. Remember, righteousness lead the way. Go shot.
I am a proud Jamaican. Me love my country, but I'm worried for the nation. No good examples, now set no foundation. The future looks sticky for this and the next generation.
Yes, man, What is Wrong with Humanity? My new single that is yeah, man, produced by I and I. Yeah, man, so it's my YouTube page. You can go over there and watch and leave a comment and feedback saying, please, me I beg on support. With no further delay, watch Shenseea freestyle or controversial new song Hit and Run.
You think you coulda get in on my feelings? You coulda get me fi settle down. Me give ya hit and run. Me give ya hit and run. Me did only one little dealings. Love you did a look, you must see dumb. Me give ya hit and run. Me give ya hit and run. Hey, my youth, you take it too serious. Give a little piece, just a little feel up. Now you take a set up on me, you each up. Give me space, give me room, give me little breeze. Now, Jesus, I want make you feel so. Show me keep it tight and me ever clean so. Want me did want you, me never need you. This enough for people know I keep it on a deal. Me too young for lockdown with nobody. I pray one day somebody keep your company. And a girl like me just want have fun and more money. But you a pre-relationship and that's a no for me.
Alright, please let me know your honest opinion about that freestyle and the topic of the song. And I mean, I really think, me not like the message still, especially to the young ladies them in Jamaica right now, the schoolers them. You know what I mean? Yeah, I mean, I think that was a positive message we sent out to them. That's my personal opinion. Let me know what y'all think. But anyway, hear what this lady has to say about the song.
You're not gonna believe me, but me, I'm a Massacre fan through and through. Good job, baby. I love Massacre. Every song of Massacre drop, I have everything. I love it. You see, It and Run are the one of the worst song that I ever hear. Not from Massacre, but because I feel like because Shenseea upon it. She come like Cardi B to me, like she not have no talent. She not sound good or something. Them is like when she DJ rapper whatever is like you can tell so she don't know what she do. I'm not telling no lie. I feel like I'm not like say I can't listen to Massacre because I love Massacre. But the one song that it is stupid in that not a substance. Soft London song better than It and Run. I mean I like Soft London.
Yes, man. So now you're the lady giving her feedback about the song. Let me know what y'all think. Shenseea is a bad, talented artist, beautiful and sexy. But me honestly think she missed Panawana. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. My personal opinion, but let me know what y'all think. Saying? Anyway, watch a bad performance from a bad artist, brother. Read Askel 45. Yeah, man.
Some boy feel bad through the watch a gun flip. Follow me photographer. Follow me cause bad things tonight. Bad dog buckler. Are they ready? When the bad people come out, the bad people come out. You hear that? Sit down. And the bad buckler to you. Sure. Right, that's up. What we talk to the man? What are you from the door? They're ready now. Don't buckler. Boy, feels on my ice cream. But they grow like midnight technique. Yo, 1-0. Sit down. Pull up. Come on, come on, lift it up. Just come one shit and one DP one job. Put it up. Hear me the bills. Hello. Give thanks is the end. That's what you are now. I go right through the fucking game. That is it, man. And I find the team flex. That is it. Sit down. So the sun ready now. Must one buckler ready. Mama, what you say? Are you ready now? Wow. Are you ready now? What on? Tell your boy what you work. Shit. One GP, one jump. And chase that with it. We're watching no shot for road trouble. Kick off the doors and leave them like this. Settle up this. Everybody give me one buckler. With your hands up. Put a lip up there. Win. Yo, give me. Hold on. Pull up on it. Sense ready, you know. Sit down. One Zell. One Jamaican. One Askel. One Ivory. One Tr&sh. And the man top of real Askel. Never need your phone, you know. Tell your boy what you learn from me. You're a boy of a boy face with my ice cream. And they grow and make that technique. Tr&sh and 7. We're making no shot for road shopping. Kick off the door, shut it down like this. Sex in the face of the pool royalist. And that's it, man. No, that's it, yo. No, we did. Stop with the music, shut it on the first minute. No, we did. With the master. That's it. No, we did. That is it. Difference. Give me the ice cream, boy. And then you give a shot after.
That is it.
I would not about the thing. Go and talk to me, girl.
Alright, drop it.
Find me the thing, man. Bumbo Club! Bumbo Club!
Wow! What?
Put your pussy good. She put the chance up, she don't play you. Most I check she up in another one. Me alone! Bumbo Club, girl. Pussy good. She put the chance up, she don't play you. Most I expect you up in another one. Come here. Bumbo Club, girl. Catch funny girl, move like a ball. So me got this shot like the great China wall. Just say I don't do rubber ball. Me how we sweet to your belly. Don't tell me how we sweet to your belly. I'm not being on butter, so me a shelly. But alright, come on, make up a selfie on the band this. Yes, MdotR. All of the girls them can't cook. Scream Bumbo Club tonight. If you know so no roast egg. See me a play out of the kitchen. See me a play out of the kitchen. Me no want see no hear from me chicken. Tell Tall things and me go take up the thing. See me a play out of the kitchen.
Stage, bro.
See me a play out of the kitchen. Me no want see no hear chicken. Tell Tall. Some girl take my boy that one. No no women very clear them that. Let me see the ones in the charter. For the kitchen. That's what they want. Need the ass.
Make some noise, people.
Listen to me. I listen, hold it.
Mexican Bandits Cartel.
Blows! That is it. Why become sexual? Mexican badness. 4, 5, 6, 1, soul go ahead. Rest in peace. Everybody say, shine! Why become sexual? Mexican badness. 4, 5, 6, 1, soul go ahead. Listen. Rise and squeeze. I'm a bump in a feature them. Yeah, in a squeeze. Flush your face like tiny coffee. I'm a funny mom. West, this, I don't be. Hungry dog in a tea. I don't be able It's all gone with the beat. Yeah.
Boy, pick up Spank Shell, 4 5 send them soul go a hell. If you want to book real Askel, link up to him Flexi promotion as well. You see me, that's the end of the vlog. Thanks for watching to the end. Don't forget to like and share the content. Big up. Boom.